ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Henry Lalaremsanga ulapha daka legal notice sha Menteri Rangba Barem jong ka jila Mukul Sangma balong ru MLA jong ka All India Trinamool Congress bat ban Dawa ba udai ban siu ya ka Baimynraiñkhmat ka ba ar phokulur tengka nalor ka ba udawa ba udai ban pan map halor ka jingkeno ba Henry udai u kingpin ki kam khai drugs hapo ka dorbar sanrai jong ka ying dorbar thawan ka jila Henry Lalaremsanga ubadai unong Mizoram but ubalong ru chairman jong ka 2B's group of companies ula dawayo Mukul Sangma bu de ban siu ya kani ka Baimynraiñkhmat bat ban panma po nyosngi lem kumta un mudoi da ka mukadama criminal but civil suit persya ya Mukul Sangma hayeng kashari ya kani ka legal notice lapha do ba ke Kharmo Plang and Associates ubade advocate but legal consultant jong Henry Lalaremsanga.
Those are available, but I will not comment on that. I have not seen the notice. So it's up to the media to interpret in whatever way you like. But I would rather say what I have said in the House is available. It is in the public domain, though it has been expunged subsequently. But please remember one thing. After my submission in the August House, with a clear intent, the intent is reflected of my way of submission of the facts. Okay. In the interest of the people, keeping in mind the kind of situation that is now prevailing in the state, not only in the state of Meghalaya, but across Northeast, and the kind of situation which is considered alarming. That's the only reason why this issue was brought. There were too many issues pertaining to the same topic. There was a 0-hour notice, there was a one under Rule 54, then another one in the form of motion where we participated. So look at the issue. Why has this issue been tabled by honorable members of this August House, both from the opposition and the treasury benches? Obviously, this particular situation has drawn the attention of everybody. Alarming situation has cropped up in the recent year. In last 5 years, the concern that is being reflected is because of what has happened in last 5 years, the exponential growth of supply chain, creating that easy access to the end users. That is a matter of concern. That is the responsibility of the government to see how we can go after the supply chain. Okay, how to go against after supply chain. There are relevant laws. There are relevant laws to deal with this. But then, are the relevant laws enough? Are the relevant laws being effectively implemented? Those are questions to be raised. And that's what exactly is done in the House, whether it is in Parliament, whether it is in the assemblies, by the respective state legislatures and the Parliament. Now, in as far as this case is concerned, after having raised this issue, what was spoken by me pertaining to that issue inside the House is available. But outside the House, when the Chief Minister himself started speaking outside the House, he should send this legal notice to the CM only. Until I see the legal notice. Because you're aware of the relevant provisions of the Constitution pertaining to the privileges that is provided for the members of both state legislatures and the Parliament. Okay. If the legal notice has been served, I have to receive it. So I'll wait. I will see what type of legal notice is given and what are the provisions of law under which he is sending me this notice. There are also certain aspects which they will be knowing, their legal team will be knowing. So we'll deal with them as they come.
But
that's why I'm saying which provision of law provides him that opportunity to send me that legal notice will be examined. Inside the August House, my statement is very clear. It has been more of an advisory to the Honorable Chief Minister. It is only the Chief Minister who has taken it outside the House. He should send a legal notice to the Chief Minister. I will not comment on those things. What did I refer? I referred to the media article. You see, you are talking about somebody's, whatever has happened. I also have narrated the year, date also. You see. So what does it indicate? I have narrated the date. So it is up to others to read between the lines.